I bet you guys never thought you'd see me again. The Rowdy Fox. And this is definitely not my Z1000. Not even close. I mean, it's similar. It's a naked bike. And it is a Z. But not a 1000. About 8 times less than that. A 125. Fucking love this thing though. This thing's pretty badass. Had it for like 3 years and I only have like 2,000 miles on it. So I thought it'd be a good idea to ride around on it. And also the fact that I sold the Z1000. I had to be a big boy and pay off some loans and stuff, you know, adult things. It's pretty stupid. But now that I have those things paid off, we have some fun stuff coming in about a month or so. Maybe a little longer, it depends. I'm not going to go into any more details than that because I'd like you guys to keep coming back to my channel, even though it's been like, I don't know, 3-4 years since I made a video, and the last time I made a video was explaining how I almost killed myself. That was a wonderful thing. I'm all recovered from that, obviously, and I've been doing a lot of stuff. And by a lot of stuff, I mean working as a motorcycle mechanic, which is pretty rad. I'm actually at a Ducati dealer, which I never thought I'd be at. Considering I hated Ducatis for quite a while. But, you know, things change as you grow up. You look into the finer things in life, like overly expensive Italian motorcycles. And I bet you're wondering who this little guy is right there. That is Sergeant Duck Johnson, and he's adorable AF. Yeah, he doesn't do anything other than that. He's got sunglasses on and a chain because he's gangsta. He's got his little helmet to make sure if he falls off that he's okay. But I'm going to get the Z washed because I haven't washed it in I actually don't know when I washed it last. And I was, see if this guy waves to me. Oh, they did, even though I'm on a scooter! That's adorable. Oh, I'm glad the community is still a thing. The biker community is alive and well. From Harleys to scooters. Beautiful. Hi guys. Hello. I'm gonna have to move Sergeant Duck Johnson because he's taking the full hit on the wind right now. He's not liking that. Harley! Yeah, dude, they're I'm surprised people are waving to me on this, really, honestly. Like, I've ridden this for, you know, 2,077 miles, but a lot of people didn't really wave to me for some reason. I think it's because they see a scooter, like, it's not a real bike. But, you know, it's real to me. Actually, I don't want to turn here. Oh yeah, oh red light. I'm just trying to find something to talk to myself about. I'm just rambling, and I think that's what I do best, is I just vomit words until something sticks. This right here used to be full of people and bikes, usually on nice nights. One nice night just like tonight, actually. But, you know, the Rona is kind of said no. I could definitely make this. Alright. Maybe. It's a lot of gravel. There we go. That was a terrible turn, guys. I only really ride at work lately, so I'm a little rusty, especially on this. I gotta figure something out for Sergeant Duck Johnson. Maybe I'll put him down in the middle of the handlebars. I like his little propeller, though. That was the main reason I got him. I had to Loctite that bitch because I assumed that it would just spin so fast it would fly off and probably eat itself right into my face, because I'm that lucky. Man, you know, hey girl, yeah, I guess I should probably explain why I stopped vlogging. After the accident, it was like, you know, it took me like 6 weeks to recover, around there. I had to relearn to walk. I had to wait for all my road rash to heal up because I basically had open wounds for probably 3 to 4 of those weeks of recovering. And yeah, so I was just a little busy with that. I had family out. Obviously, I couldn't ride with a broken ankle. So I was just kind of waiting for all of that to kind of, you know, breeze over. But then I graduated school, so that was cool. And I was walking at that point, but plot twist, I got a staph infection in my ankle, and so I needed a second surgery. But fun thing was that I had to drive all the way across the country back to Illinois, where I am now, not Arizona anymore. So, because I was moving back home because I was out of work, and yeah. Oh god, this Jeep is on my booty! I'm sorry, Jeepy Jeep! Don't be angry! I apologize, I'm on a scooter! Like, weed whackers go faster than this thing. That doesn't make sense, weed whackers don't move, really, you move them. Lawnmowers go faster than this thing. There we go, that's a good analogy, if you will. But I digress. Am I supposed to be at this line? Or is there another line up there? I don't really know, actually. I'm really confused. This intersection's awful. And I can't see the light because, sun. But lately I just kind of was like, you know, it'd be kind of cool if I started vlogging again. I have a little more time. Something smells like it's burning. Oh god, this poor bike. I'm washing it because, yeah. Is that legal? I don't even know, man. Oh my god, Sergeant Duck Johnson. Just chill. I know you're like ready for takeoff. Jeez, man. Hey pal. You look a little sweaty there. You having a good bike ride? Looks like it. Getting some eczema thighs. Oh god. Why? Suck a cock, Super Duty. Arr. Hi pal. I love you. I think the car wash is up here on the right. Yeah, there she blows. Well, I guess we'll just chill. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, all 8.3 horsepower. Fucking gripping and rapping. Full talk, bitches. Yeah, getting it. All right, really not that exciting. Skynet. That's a thing? Oh, that was a Terminator thing. That's a thing? Oh, that was a Terminator thing. You're telling me Skynet's real? That's awful, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that information. This is all brand new. I mean, it's probably oily as fuck, though. I'm sorry, person behind me. Don't judge. Oh, damn. Nice. Nice. Getting it. Trust in the rubber, which I don't trust it at all. You know why? I'll let you guys in on a little secret about Rowdy Fox. I haven't told anyone this, ever. Okay? No one. Not even my own mother knows this. And I'm about to announce it to all of the internet. You guys ready? I'm a bitch. A little tiny bitch. Oh god, is this a bump? Oh god, there's no sign. And it's a big bump. Hello? Okay, he didn't like me. What's up, guys? I think they like me. What is with these bumps? And no warnings! I don't like bumps! I don't like them up bit! What's up, pal? No, you weren't looking at me. Awkward! Damn, dude, that Chevy was not having any... Oh! 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 Oh, damn! Guys! I love you! Yeah, they're saying, fuck it. I think I might do the same. I'm gonna catch them! Oh, they're leaving. Oh no, but I love you. Goodbye. I'll miss you. Oh. Oh my god. All those noises. What's up, pal? Do what I can. What's up, pal? To make this some sort of a video. I mean, it's probably gonna be a crappy welcome back video. You would think it would be all like, I don't know, cool flashy editing and like, I'm back and I'm a cool guy. I'm on a motorcycle and like Rowdy Fox and no, it's not. It's not going to be like that. Not going to be like that at all. Because, oh, what happened here? Because I suck at this right now. I'm doing terrible. What's up, pal? Yeah, I got the thumbs up. Hell yeah! I got an approval from a Harley rider who are notorious for hating everything. That was kind of judgy. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna call it here, guys, because I don't got much else to do. I'm going home. But this is me. I'm back. I don't know how often I'll be making vids, but I'm gonna be making them, and hopefully I'll still know how to edit and, I don't know, be a motovlogger. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Rowdy out.